Good morning, all. It's 6:15, and it is October the 11th. All right, let's get the tropical storm Michael out of the way here and the tornado warnings first, okay? Right now in South Carolina, Charleston to Myrtle Beach to Columbia to Charlotte, South Carolina, you're under a tornado watch until 7 a.m., okay? Please pay attention to your local stations. Conditions are right for storms, tornadoes. Be careful, please. All right. Tropical Storm Michael is moving northeast, and this is as of 5 o'clock, at 21 miles an hour with a max wind of 50, gusting to 65. And it's going into South Carolina as we speak. By 2 p.m. this afternoon, they are saying it'll be moving northeast at 25 miles an hour, max winds of 45, gusting to 60, and it'll be going into Fayetteville, North Carolina. Now, on the 12th in the morning, it'll be a post-tropical depression moving east-northeast at 30 miles an hour with a max wind of 50, gusting to 65, heading off the coast of Virginia Beach. Now, once again, you guys have got tornado watches out there until 7 a.m. in South Carolina, from Charleston to Myrtle Beach to Columbia to Charlotte. Please watch the skies. Let's do the earthquake report. All right. China had a 4.1 at 4.3 miles in depth. The Philippines had a 3.9 at 0.6 miles in depth. New Zealand had a 4.4 at 3.1 miles in depth. China had a 4.5 at 4.3 miles in depth. The Fox Island, Alaska, had a 5.2 at 6.2 miles in depth. Fiji had a 4.6 at 355 miles in depth. Japan had a 4.7 at 22 miles in depth. A 5.5, Kuril Island in Russia had a 6.2 mile in depth earthquake. That was 5.5 at Kuril Island, Russia, 6.2 in depth. Off the coast of Mexico, I should say off the coast of Chiapas, Mexico, had a 4.0 at 6.8 miles in depth. Guys, you have yourself a great day. Please be safe in South Carolina and North Carolina, because they're predicting heavy rains. And I know you guys don't need that. Our thoughts, our prayers are with you. God bless. Be safe. Thank you so much for watching. You guys are awesome.